Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow pop-ups in Firefox. So let's get started. Open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-line menu icon to access the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab in the left sidebar. This section allows you to manage various privacy and security settings in Firefox. Scroll down to the Permissions section. Look for the Block Pop-up Windows option. Click on Settings. Next to it to Customize pop-up window behavior. In the Expectation pop-ups window, you can add a specific website addresses that you want to allow pop-ups from. Enter the website address and click Allow or Save Changes. After adding the website, close the window. Firefox will save the changes, and pop-ups will be allowed from the specified websites. And there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.